Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, MESARASTARR, and I hope that you guys are all doing well. So this video is of the Dollar Tree, or of the stuff I bought at the Dollar Tree. So I want to go ahead and show you what I got. It's been about a week since I've been, so I keep going back because I want to see if they had, if they're bringing out more Christmas stuff. And again, when I went today, there's only like that much of Christmas stuff at my DT, so I'm waiting for more stuff to roll out, and I'm gonna probably buy a lot of stuff then because I love Christmas time so much. So, but I did find some like Halloween stuff today and some like, a lot of goodies. So I'll go ahead and start with my haul. I can't wait to show what I got. So, okay. The first thing I got was this. Now, it is a really cute pic and it says, "Hello Fall." You guys, I just realized when I got home that I bought this already, that I already have this. And so, yeah, I bought a duplicate on accident. So now I have two. So, I thought about it and I'm like, you know what? I could put this, like in a flower arrangement, like on my dining room table. Like it'd be really cute because I have a tall, like vase. It'd be really cute maybe in there. I'm not quite sure yet where I'm going to put it, but now I have two. So the other one was going to go outside by my front door. I don't know how I didn't remember that I bought two, So anyway, but this is just super cute and they didn't have any left. So I grabbed this one. I thought it'd be really cute. And now I have two. So, all right, guys. So there's that one. And the next thing I picked up is they have Halloween costumes out. And they have a really good assortment this year. So my daughter mentioned that she wanted to be a dragon this year for Halloween. And because she's reading Wings of Fire, it's a whole series and it's awesome. It's like this dragon series. And she wants to be a dragon. So I found like a dragon costume, you guys, a two-piece set here. And I picked it up in two colors so she can choose, if which one she, wants to be. So there's this one. And it's like made of like foam, like kind of like it's made of like foam, it feels like. You get a mask and wings with it. So there you go. So it also comes in red. But so I picked up the green for her, and you can see it has little things to put on her shoulders so she can dress as a dragon. And then I was thinking we can even make it a little fancier and add like crystals to it, or decorate it more to be like really very fancy, I guess, like a fancy dragon. So I thought that'd be really fun to do as well. So it's kind of like a craft project. So I picked up this color for her. And it's like, it weighs hardly anything, you guys. It's so lightweight. And then I picked up the black so she can decide which one she wants to wear. And then she can also, like I said, decorate this one too. It would be so cute. So anyway, this is something new to DT. I don't remember seeing this last year. So, and you get the mask right here. There's your mask. And there's your wings. Okay, the next thing I picked up, you guys, is lots of things. Okay, so I picked up two mats again. So I put these in my garage, and as I was like checking out, they had a long line today. So I was telling somebody behind me, I'm like, we all have the same idea to come here right now because it was like a long line. It was so funny. But I was looking at these, and I was like, oh my gosh, this goes together. I didn't even realize this, but it says welcome. Okay, there's the welcome and then home. And I didn't even plan on that like working together, but do you see how it says welcome home? I was like, that's kind of cute if I can figure out a way to like make it work together or like on top of each other, kind of like trying to show you kind of like the idea like welcome home. So I'm not quite sure how that would work, if it would look right or not, but I just really think they're really cute rugs. And so will be going in my garage, but I think these are absolutely great rugs for $1. Okay, the next items I picked up were, let's go ahead and put in here. This, I always buy this for not always. I've bought probably 5-6 of these before. He loves these bakes, and because he can paint them. It's a car bake. He really likes the car bakes. And so it has everything you need in it, which is really cool. It has your paintbrush, your paint, and the actual car to paint. So there you go. So these are really nice. And they have a frog one. They have like a puppy. And I don't know if they have I think that's 3 that I remember. There might be a 4th one to paint. Oh, monkey. There's a monkey. So anyway, this is really fun for him. So yeah, he likes these things, and he, you know, like I said, he paints them, and then, you know, he loves it. Okay, the next thing I picked up was, they don't always have this, so I went ahead and picked it up, and I was out of it anyway, so it was perfect. This is the LA's Totally Awesome Oxygen or Orange Base Cleaner. So I put this in my wash, and I love it. So like if my laundry feels like it needs a little extra, you know, boost for cleaning, I put this in there. So I really like it. And this is humongous, you guys. This is heavy. This is like, how heavy is this? 32 ounces. Is that a pound? I'm not quite sure with my math, but anyway, I love this stuff. So I picked that up. Then I picked up, so I bought chalk paint the other day at Joann's Fabric because I'm going to paint that ladder I, you know, bought at Goodwill a few weeks ago, like that little short ladder to put my pumpkins on outside, like a, you know, a, what's the word? Like a vignette kind of for Halloween, really, really cute. So it's like only like this tall, this ladder. But I want to paint it. I bought chalk paint in yellow, so I needed more paint brushes so I can paint it. So I think this is a great deal, you guys, $1 for 3 brushes. So I went ahead and got that. Then I picked up, okay, so a friend of mine saw my lip gloss on me, and she's like, that is such a pretty color. And I was like, oh my gosh, I said, it's from the Dollar Tree. And she's like, what? So I said, I'll pick you up one. And when I go next time, if it's there, I'll totally pick you up one. She's like, oh my gosh, thank you. So this is for my friend, and it is the color Paradise Pink. I have so many tubes of this that I love this so much, this particular color. I'm not wearing it right now, but I have one in my purse. Like, I have so many of these in my purse, my makeup bag. I probably own about 5 of these tubes right now. And so this is for my friend. So I picked that up for her. I love this color, guys. It's so pretty. So, so pretty. I just wear it without lip liner or anything. I just put it on and I go. Like, that's how easy this stuff is. I love it. It doesn't stay on like super, super long, but it's just the color is so pretty. It's like almost like a Barbie pink kind of. It's so pretty, you guys. It's so pretty. It almost looks like, I'm trying to think of like a pink when it's actually on to show you. It's so pretty. It's got like a real nice gloss to it. So I really like it. Okay. The next thing was I picked up more knee-high socks for my kids. And these say men's, but they look like they'll fit my girls. And they're really cute. So they're in the Halloween section. And my kids like knee-high socks. So I thought this would be cute to wear around Halloween. And actually, these aren't really technically knee-high socks now that I'm looking at them. They're more like the regular socks, but I think it'll work. If not, I'll wear them. So anyway, $1 for these are really cute. Okay, so then I picked up another set of them in this this print. So I picked up 2 Halloween socks there. So those are really cute. I really like those. And I'm waiting for the camera to focus on them. Yeah, anyway, really fun. Okay, also, I got these. So we needed more napkins for, you know, my kids' lunches. And so this is in the Thanksgiving section. There's 36 napkins in here. 36 napkins in here, you guys. That's a lot of napkins. Look how many napkins that is. That's like a lot. And I love the color. It comes, there's ones that just like this pack, but in yellow and I think a different color. I picked this like orangish, kind of like burnt orange color. And just because these are nice napkins, and then I can just put them in my kids' lunch every day. I have 4 kids, so I go through napkins quite a bit, you know, for the school lunches. So I wanted to get a bigger value pack. That's why I got these. Okay, the next thing I picked up was I needed more cleaning wipes, you know, like more like, you know, Clorox type wipes that they sell at the DT. But they had none left. And the ones that they had 2 bottles left, and I picked them up, they were empty. Like, I don't know what that was about, but they were like completely empty. Like, they were like, you could tell there was nothing in there. So I was like, what am I going to do? So until I can get to like the grocery store, you know, where I normally buy them, I went ahead and picked up these multi-surface wipes. It says for tile, wood, granite, marble, stainless steel, and glass. And you get 24. So this will hold me over till I can pick up those cleaning wipes that I want. So I got those. Then the next thing I picked up is my daughter loves these Crush Yum Jiggly Pals. So, and I know this is kind of like an older item at the DT, but she loves these. She lines them up on the top. She has a monitor, her own computer, and she has a monitor, and she lines them up at the top of her monitor. And so she totally wants to finish lining, like she has about probably 6 on there, maybe 8, maybe how many? 2, 4, 6, maybe 6, maybe 8. Anyway, I picked up more to, complete the whole top of her monitor. I picked up three bags of them for her. So you get that. Let's see, and then this one has like a, I don't know, like a fish and like a bear in it. This one's really cute. This one's my favorite. And they're just like squishy and they're just fun. And then this one is a panda, which is also one of my favorites, and a ducky. There's like a ducky and a panda. So, so cute. So, so cute. Oh my goodness. Let's see. Do I have my scissors? I can show you. Where did my scissors go? Here they are. I'm going to show you how adorable these really are. Like, oh my gosh, how cute is that? It's a little jiggly and a jiggle. They're just so, so cute. And they're like squishy. They're so cute. And then you get a little rubber ducky. Like, oh my gosh, that is so cute. I love the ducky so much. That is one I have not seen before. So anyway, got those. Then I picked up a Slinkies for my Sophie. She wanted some Slinkies, and this is a 2-piece set. So you get 2 in there, and they came in different colors. So I just picked up the gold and the pink, hot pink. I thought that was cute. So I got those. Then, okay, so you guys know I love Buffalo Plaid so much. It's like Buffalo Plaid, like I can't get enough of it. Well, now they have Buffalo Plaid orange ones at the DT, and I just about like lost it. I was like, oh my gosh, no way. Like I didn't even know they had orange check Buffalo Plaid. So I got it, and I think my mannequin is going to, my mascot, she's going to wear it, or I'll wear it. Either way, it's so cute, so cute, so cute. So you guys, look at this. Oh my gosh, how cute. And I hope they make like, you know how I bought the tote bags, grocery bag, those tote bags. They had them in the buffalo print in the red check and the white check. Now I hope they come out with an orange one to match this. That'd be so cute. These are really cute. And I'm going to go ahead and try it on for you guys to show you. I mean, they are a little thin, like they don't have a lot of like material, but it's just super cute. I just love this print so much, so much. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and show you. So there's the idea of it. Let me go ahead and, there's the idea. And I think it's cute like at the pumpkin patch or, wherever. And let's see if there's enough to do. I don't think there's enough to do like an infinity. Yeah, see, it's too short to do for me to do it like that. So I'll probably wear it like this. Or when I, continue to decorate, I'll put it on my mascot. So, all right. The next thing I picked up was these baby wipes just to have at our house. So I got those. And then I picked up, here's another new item, you guys. Okay. Also, I picked up batteries. So just more of these batteries. And then they have more rugs there that are like brand new. I've never seen before. Look at how cute this is. They're so adorable. It's almost like 70s-ish looking, like 70s era. So cute. And it's like the same print on the back as the front. So I bought 3 for my bathroom. 1 to put under each sink of my bathroom, and then 1 to put like near my shower. So I think they're so cute. It also came in black and white print, just like this. So either one, I couldn't decide. I almost bought the black and white too. Thought it was so cute, but I went ahead and got the green because it feels more like fall colors right now. Like this feels more like, with like the oranges and stuff. But I did really like the black and white one. And also they only had 2 and I needed 3 of the, for my bathroom. So I ended up getting the green. But they're both so, so cute. And so anyway, I bought 3 of those. 1, 2, and 3. So that's it for you guys for my DT haul. It's kind of a little haul. I think I spent $26, but it adds up quickly though. But yeah, that is my haul for Dollar Tree today, and I hope you enjoyed it. And I hope that you guys are all doing well, and I'll see you very soon with my next haul. All right, guys, till next time, take care. See you soon. Bye-bye.